Marine life struggles in silence. Fishermen return with lighter nets. Shores that once sustained life now collect what society has thrown away.
Good day, everyone. We are the Hydroquads, and our SDG is all about life below water. And today, we're excited to introduce AquaGuard. AquaGuard is your local river solution. It works 24/7, adapts to rising floodwater, and uses durable and eco-friendly materials while staying more affordable than imported trash barriers. Unlike foreign trash barriers costing 40,000 to 135,000 per unit, AquaGuard is designed for barangay and local government budgets with customizable sizing and easy maintenance. It is practical, reliable, and budget-friendly solution.
Why AquaGuard is worth investing in? It is a floating biofence barrier that stops large debris and direct waste to collection points. A foam safety net filtration system that captures small plastic that escapes in traditional barriers. It equips with integrated waste storage compartment that secures collected trash and prevents it from dripping back. Eco-friendly and durable material that supports long-term use in harsh water conditions.
We chose to interview these people because they both belong in a local government service that represents a bridge between the local government and the community that are deeply affected by the coastal pollution. We interviewed Sir Christian, an administrative aide in the municipal office and an environmental advocate. Also, Ms. Caitlin, an SK official in Pulilan, because they both provided detailed and insightful responses that made them a reliable source for evaluating AquaGuard and making them an ideal target market for our product.
As you explain po your output po, no. Sa tingin ko po yung AquaGuard is like 3-in-1 siya para sa akin kasi hindi lang siya palinis ng tubig na kung saan kinokolekta nga yung mga basura, but also it can help the mangingisda, no, na para yung mga chemical na to or yung mga basura na to ay hindi agad madiretso dun sa mga mas malaking tubig kung saan mas maraming isda.
Para sa akin makakatulong siya. Dahil sinasala niya yung mga basura kapag lumalaki yung tubig, at higit sa lahat maiiwasan nito yung pagbara ng mga kalat o ng mga basura sa kanal.
For me, product is nakalagay siya kung saan nasasala agad yung mga kung saan talaga nagmumula muna yung mga basura, kung saan mas mabilis po nilang makukuha. Like po sa mga kanal, ganon. Kasi doon naman talaga mostly po nanggagaling yung mga basura. Kaya po ba nitong magkaroon na parang monitoring, palalaman po na kung puno po ba or kaya pang mag-occupied nung inyong brand po, kasi po possible po na yun yung kasira niya, yung masyadong marami na pong laman.
Ang isa din sa magandang gawin sa kanya is yung mga materyales is mas lalo pa nating pagandahin. Challenges na kakaharapin yan is yung kagaya nga dito sa bayan ng Hagonoy, yung malalaking high tide. Baka hindi niya kayanin yung bigat or yung dami ng basura na darating pasasaluhin niya.
Oo, kasi I think first time kong maka-encounter ng ganito, at I think malaking factor siya malaki ang factor niya na maitutulong sa barangay namin. As I mentioned na parang nga siyang 3-in-1, hindi lang niya tinutulungan ang environment, tinutulungan din niya yung mga mangingisda na magkaroon pa ng hanap buhay, at nakakatulong din siya upang yung mga basura walang pakinabang ay magkaroon ng saysay.
Together,
we
we protect life below water.